Imagine a world shaped by revolutionary inventions. From robots to flying devices, this is the future. Let's explore 17 incredible innovations redefining our world. Testiamo Loto Più, the world's lowest car. In the world of car modifications, a new creation is turning heads and challenging traditional car design. Meet the world's lowest car, a Fiat Panda that has been sliced in half. This fully operational and road-legal car is the work of Carmageddon, a group of car modifiers famous for their bold and unconventional projects. The team behind this daring redesign includes Cucurudi, Matteo Marzetti, and Nicola Guadagnone. They've taken the iconic Fiat Panda, originally designed by the legendary Giorgetto Giugiaro, and transformed it into something completely new. This trio is well known for embracing unusual modification challenges, and this project cements their reputation as innovative trailblazers in car design. BigDog, the unconventional four-wheeled bike. The BigDog is a unique bike with a simple recipe: 4 wheels and room for 4 people. This one-of-a-kind creation is made from a mix of materials, including chromoly tubing, bicycle parts, golf cart components, plastic drainage pipes, and whatever else the creators could find. Standing at 8.6 feet tall and nearly 6.4 feet wide, the BigDog weighs 490 pounds. This means passengers will have to do a bit of legwork. Instead of regular seats, it's equipped with passenger chairs, which makes it comfortable even in the cold winter months. The BigDog has made its mark at numerous shows, including the Woodward Dream Cruise. This is the largest one-day car show in Michigan, where it's been a standout attraction. In addition to the BigDog, the team behind this bike also offers other models, including more traditional cruiser bikes. Festo Emotion Butterflies, bionic marvels of the future. The Festo Emotion Butterflies are stunning examples of bionic flying creatures. These butterflies look and feel just like the real thing, but they're much more than that. They can fly in a coordinated and collective manner, adding to their beauty and grace. Incredibly light and colorful, the butterflies move with precision. To ensure they don't collide with each other, they are equipped with an advanced indoor GPS system, which uses infrared cameras to track their position. Each wing can be controlled independently, allowing for smooth and precise movements. This is made possible by their onboard electronics, which are highly integrated into the lightweight design. Festo has focused on miniaturization, lightweight construction, and functional integration in their research and development to create these incredible butterflies. While they are visually impressive, they also showcase the future of manufacturing, driven by network technologies and artificial intelligence. Though the Festo Emotion Butterflies are not available commercially, they are part of Festo's Bionic Learning Network. This exhibition highlights eco-friendly innovations and the potential of advanced technologies in the future. Twike 5. The Twike 5 is an advanced 3-wheeled electric vehicle that offers improved performance, comfort, and versatility. It comes with different battery options to suit various needs. The smallest battery lets you reach speeds of up to 130 km per hour, with a range of over 250 km. The largest battery boosts speeds to over 190 km per hour, while providing a range of more than 500 km. One standout feature is the new side stick steering system, which allows precise, fatigue-free handling. The Twike 5 also includes a unique pedal assist function. This not only boosts your range but also provides fitness benefits during your ride. With its sleek design, aerodynamic efficiency, and modular safety cell, the Twike 5 blends cutting-edge technology with everyday practicality. Ideal for eco-conscious drivers, it strikes the perfect balance between speed, range, and sustainability. Mini Vision Next 100. The Mini Vision Next 100 is a concept vehicle that showcases Mini's vision for the future of urban mobility. With the tagline, "Every Mini is my Mini," it introduces a unique idea of car sharing, where the car adapts to the personal preferences of each user. Inside, the vehicle features a central device called the Cooperizer, which communicates with the driver using color changes. Even the exterior can be customized to match the user's style. This concept car also includes autonomous driving capabilities. It can drive itself to service centers for cleaning and charging between uses, adding to the convenience. As a concept car, the Mini Vision Next 100 doesn't have an official price. However, it represents Mini's commitment to adaptable and personalized mobility, technology that focuses on the user, and emission-free energy. It's more than just a car, it's a look into the future of personal mobility, where cars are networked, customizable, and environmentally responsible. Audi Vista. Introducing the Audi Vista, an innovative electric vehicle concept created by master student Hike Moon. This four-seater vehicle is designed to revolutionize urban commuting. One unique feature of the Audi Vista is its ability to fold in the middle. This allows it to transform into a compact size, making it perfect for navigating crowded cities and tight parking spaces. The Audi Vista has two riding modes. In Segway mode, it offers better agility for moving through busy streets. In Roadster mode, it provides a sportier driving experience for open roads. This concept is all about fun, freedom, and versatility. The Audi Vista promises an exciting future for urban mobility. Unleash your adventure with the Audi Vista. Dubai Batmobile. The Dubai Batmobile, a car like no other. Inspired by the iconic Batmobile from the Batman series, this extraordinary vehicle combines futuristic design with high-performance engineering. This unique car was crafted by the talented team at the custom car workshop, Team Galag. It earned a spotlight in the prestigious Gumball 3000 Rally, an international event known for featuring some of the world's most exotic cars. One look at the Dubai Batmobile reveals its defining feature: a sleek, aerodynamic exterior, closely modeled after the Batmobile from the Arkham Knight video game. The car's body is built from lightweight carbon fiber, giving it both durability and agility on the road. Beneath the hood, the Dubai Batmobile packs a powerful V8 engine. This powerhouse ensures impressive speed and acceleration, fully meeting the high-performance standards expected of a supercar. Inside, the Dubai Batmobile continues to amaze. The interior merges luxury and advanced technology, featuring custom leather seats and a state-of-the-art infotainment system designed to create a high-end experience. In every way, the Dubai Batmobile is a masterpiece that captures the essence of innovation and luxury in one unforgettable ride. Rototow Roto Prototype. Imagine a caravan that unfolds to reveal a spacious deck and a cozy interior. That's the Rototow, a true innovation in mobile home design. With the press of a button, the cabin rotates out from its shell, expanding the living space by 70%. This feature transforms the Rototow into a luxurious and functional space. Priced at $350,000, this isn't just a mode of transportation. It's a statement of style. The Rototow combines modern elegance with a touch of classic design. Inside, you'll find a kitchen that would make any chef proud, and a dining area with stunning views. The bedrooms are designed for comfort, providing the perfect place to unwind after a day full of adventure. This mobile home is more than just a trailer, it's a sanctuary of peace and relaxation. The Rototow offers a way to experience adventure without ever leaving the comfort of your home. Vision TX. The future of semi-trailers. The Vision TX offers a fresh take on the future of semi-trailers. Its unique cab-over design is tailored for truck drivers who prefer to be seated in the center of the cab. This setup provides a more balanced and comfortable driving experience. Instead of traditional mirrors, the Vision TX uses advanced screens and cameras, giving drivers a more modern and efficient way to navigate the road. This upgrade not only enhances safety but also makes the driving experience cooler and more futuristic. The cab is not just for driving. It can transform into a rest area, offering a place to relax during long trips. Plus, hidden storage sections are built into the sides of the cab, providing additional space for gear and essentials. Every feature of the Vision TX is designed with aerodynamics in mind. This is especially crucial for electric vehicles, where energy efficiency is key. The streamlined design helps reduce drag, allowing the truck to travel further on a single charge. Easy Rider LW. Meet the Easy Rider LW, an innovative off-road electric vehicle that redefines personal mobility. This rugged, lightweight machine is built for adventure and ready to conquer a variety of terrains. Whether you're tackling rocky trails or gliding across sandy beaches, the Easy Rider LW is up for the challenge. Powered by a robust electric motor, it delivers impressive torque and speed, making off-road exploration both thrilling and efficient. An advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and stable ride, even on the toughest landscapes. From uneven mountain paths to open coastal stretches, this vehicle adapts effortlessly to its surroundings. The Easy Rider LW has a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge. This allows you to explore the great outdoors without the worry of running out of power. It's the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts who want a balance of adventure and eco-friendliness. Designed with both comfort and safety in mind, it features intuitive controls and an ergonomic design. This makes it easy to handle for riders of all skill levels. At a price of $88,500, the Easy Rider LW is a premium investment for those seeking the ultimate off-road experience. If you're looking for excitement, durability, and sustainability in one package, this vehicle is your ticket to adventure. Explore the outdoors like never before with the Easy Rider LW. Hunter Nature NTR-2X, the ultimate off-road companion. The Hunter Nature NTR-2X redefines compact off-road caravans by blending rugged durability with home-like comfort. Its space-saving design is garage-friendly while optimizing interior space for maximum storage and functionality. Inside, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen featuring a one-burner gas cooker and an integrated sink, perfect for cooking on the go. The main sleeping area boasts a spacious bed measuring 170 by 200 centimeters, along with a pop-up roof guest bed for extra accommodations. Outdoor features include an additional shower, U-shaped seating for 3, and a fully functional outdoor kitchen with a 2-burner gas hob. It's perfect for those who love exploring the outdoors without sacrificing convenience. Built with high-quality materials, the NTR-2X features an aluminum body and 30mm insulation to ensure comfort in all weather. Independent suspension allows it to handle rugged terrains effortlessly while maintaining a smooth ride. Whether you're camping in remote locations or enjoying weekend adventures, the Hunter Nature NTR-2X is your go-to solution for versatility and comfort. Kangoo Jumps. More than just fun shoes. Kangoo Jumps may look like shoes made just for fun, but they offer more than meets the eye. These innovative shoes can make weight loss efforts 20% more effective and boost stamina by 17%. They also help correct posture and speed up rehabilitation. Designed for versatility, Kangoo Jumps can be used both indoors and outdoors. They're perfect for running or simply attracting attention during your workout. The basic version is suitable for individuals weighing up to 90 kilograms. It comes in 5 sizes, from XS to XL, and features double protection. The springs are built to last approximately 100 hours of use. These shoes come with additional benefits too. They can improve sleep, enhance productivity, and even reduce nervousness. As for the cost, Kangoo Jumps are available for $265. TASKA. The world's first waterproof myoelectric prosthetic limb. TASKA is a groundbreaking prosthetic limb, known as the first waterproof, multi-jointed, myoelectric design. With TASKA, users can confidently handle everyday activities, like washing dishes or watering the garden. It is built to withstand submersion in water up to 1 meter deep and comes with an IP67 protection rating, making it dust-resistant as well. This innovative prosthetic is highly flexible, allowing users to perform a wide range of tasks. From gardening and walking the dog to dressing, driving a car, or even riding a motorcycle, TASKA adapts seamlessly to daily life. It comes preloaded with 23 grip patterns, giving users precise control for different tasks. A unique feature also lets users rest their knuckles on surfaces, adding to its practicality. A standard battery powers TASKA throughout the day, ensuring reliability. With proper care and regular maintenance, the device is designed to last for up to 5 years. TASKA's primary development takes place in New Zealand, showcasing cutting-edge innovation in prosthetic technology. CopterPack, the future of personal transportation. Meet the CopterPack, a groundbreaking device that blends the power of a drone with the convenience of a backpack. Picture this. You hike, bike, or walk to your spot, then easily launch into the sky with a simple switch. Thanks to its compact build, easy controls, and smart flying tech, the CopterPack is ideal for adventurers, daily commuters, and first responders. From exploring remote trails and zipping through crowded cities to racing to emergencies, the CopterPack offers a thrilling, dependable ride. It's not just functional, its sleek look makes it a real showstopper. Step into the future of personal transport and elevate your journey with the CopterPack. Tevran Tetra. Introducing the Tevran Tetra, a groundbreaking electric ATV that combines high performance with cutting-edge technology. Priced at $5,299, this electric scooter delivers an exciting ride experience. Powered by dual 1,500-watt motors, the Tetra reaches a peak power of 5,000 watts. This gives you an exhilarating top speed of 55 km per hour, perfect for thrill seekers. It's equipped with a 60-volt, 60-amp-hour battery that can cover an impressive range of up to 200 km on a single charge. The Tetra is designed for all types of terrain. It features spring suspension and 13-inch road tires, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Whether you're on the street or off-road, the ride quality is unmatched. Safety is a top priority with this ATV. It comes with 4 hydraulic disc brakes for precise stopping power. The high-quality battery cells, sourced from Blade and SK Innovation, offer reliable safety and durability, so you can ride with confidence.